Let's go to page 67 and start with number 2. So number 2, you have 2x minus 3y equal to 6. You have x plus y equal to 3. And it says find the intersection point of the pair of lines in each problem. So to find point of intersection means you're looking for the solutions. So you have two equations you have to solve. And so in this case, I'm going to multiply this by 3. I'm going to eliminate the y first. So I'm going to multiply by 3. So I get 3x plus 3y equal to 9. And I'm going to put this under here. So I get 3x plus 3y equal to 9. And I'm going to add, so I get 5x. So this is elimination method, so equal to 15 divided by 5 divided by 5. So x equal to 3. And then after I solve x equal to 3, then you can go back and use any equation. I'm going to use this equation because this is the easiest equation. Okay, so I'm use this equation. I'm going to substitute, so I got 3. And whenever you substitute, put in parentheses, plus y equal to 3. And so minus 3 on both sides. So y equal to 0. Okay, let's go to number 4. You have 5x minus 4y equal to 7. You got 3x minus 2y equal to 4. And I'm going to eliminate the y. Okay. So you want to choose the easiest variable to eliminate. This is kind of hard to eliminate. So this one is easy. So I'm going to make them opposite. So I'm going to multiply this by negative 2. So I got negative 6x plus 4y equal to negative 8. And I'm going to put this under here. It doesn't matter which one you put underneath. Okay. So I get 5x minus 4y equal to 7. Add this together. So I got negative x. Again, elimination method means you want to eliminate one of the variables. Okay, so you divide by negative 1. So x equal to 1. And once you find x equal to 1, you can use any equation. Let's go and use this one. So 5 times 1 minus 4y equal to 7. So I'm going to minus 5 on both sides. So I got negative 4y equal to 2. Divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. So y equal to negative 1/2. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 6. You have 3x minus 6y equal to 13. You got 4x plus 3y equal to negative 1. And so again, x is harder to eliminate because they're kind of prime number to respect to each other. Okay, so this one is easier to eliminate. So I'm going to multiply this by 2. Again, you want to make them opposite so that we cancel out each other. So you got ax plus 6y equal to negative 2. And I'm going to put this under here. I'm going to add, so I get 11x. This cancel out. When I add this, I get 11. So divide by 11. So x equal to 1. And once I find x equal to 1, I can use any one of these equations. So it doesn't matter which one you use. Personally, I don't like the subtraction. Subtraction is easy to make a mistake. So I'm going to use this one instead, right over here. Okay. So I got 4 times 1 plus 3y equal to negative 1. So minus 4 on both sides. So I get 3y equal to negative 5. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So y equal to negative 5 over 3. Okay, let's go to number 8. And as you do this, make sure you check your answer as you go to make sure that you're doing it correctly. Okay, so let's go and check the answers very quick. Okay, it's easy. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 8. Okay, you have 4x minus 3y equal to 8. And you have 2x plus 6y equal to -1. Okay, this one is not too bad. You can eliminate either one. I'm going to eliminate the y because this is already twice as this, and this is already negative already. So I'm going to multiply this by 2. So I get 8x minus 6y equal to 16. And I'm going to put this under here. So I get 2x plus 6y equal to -1. So when I add, this cancel out, so I got 10x equal to 15. Divide by 10, divide by 10, so x equal to 3 over 2. Okay, then I'm going to substitute into here. So 2 times 3 over 2 plus 6y equal to -1. Again, don't do too many things in your head. Okay, just write down your step and work it through. Don't skip steps. Okay, so cancel out. So you get 3 plus 6y equal to -1 minus 3. So 6y equal to -4 divided by 6. So y equal to -2 over 3. Okay. Okay. Again, when you're doing the math, right, you communicate your thoughts. So make sure you show the steps. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you have 5x plus 4y equal to 50. You have 5x minus 4y equal to 50. Okay, so the y already opposite, so I'm going to put this underneath here. So I got 5x plus 4y equal to 50. When you add this cancel out, so you got 10x equal to 100. Divide by 10, divide by 10. So x equal to 10. Okay, once I find x equal to 10, okay, substitute into here. And minus 50, minus 50. So 4y equal to 0. So divide by 4, divide by 4. So y equal to 0. Okay. Again, you want to show you want to show all your steps, so that way you can communicate, you know, what you're doing. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, it says the sides of the triangles on the line. Okay, so you got 3 equations. You got x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. And you got x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. And you have 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, and you're looking for the vertices. Okay, so what happened is when you have 3 equations, you're going to get 3 lines. Okay, and so I'm going to call this 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so like you're going to get like equation 1, and then you're going to get equation 2. Again, I'm just kind of doing randomly, and you're going to get equation 3. Okay, this may not be the truth. I'm just kind of sketch something just so you can see what does it mean. So the vertex would be like this over here. Okay, so when you use equation 1 and 2, the intersection point would be the vertices. Okay, so basically what you do, you're solving the 3 points. That's what you're doing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is so basically it means you have to use the 1 and 2, okay, to solve, and then you have to do the 1 and 3 and 2 and 3. Okay. Okay, so first I'm going to do the 1 and 2. Okay, and I'm going to make this opposite and put under here. Okay, so equation 2, I get x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. And I'm going to use the negative 1, okay, negative of equation 1. I get negative x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. So again, the reason for negative is because I want to make them opposite so I can cancel out. So this will cancel out, so I get y minus 10 equal to 0. So y equal to 10. And then so once I find y equal to 10, okay, then I can put in any one of the equations to solve for x. So I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to use the equation 1. Okay. So I get x plus 10 plus 6 equal to 0. So x plus 16 equal to 0. So x equal to negative 16. Okay. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, so 1 and 2, this point over here, I get negative 16, 10. Okay, so that's one point. Okay, so one of the vertices. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. So I use 1 and 2, so now I'm going to do the equation 1 and 3. Okay. Okay, so equation 1 and 3, so you have these two equations. So I'm going to make this, I'm going to eliminate the y. Okay, so equation 3, I get 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. And I'm going to make this opposite. Okay, so negative equation 1, I get negative x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, when I add, I get 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So plus 4. So I get 2x equal to 4 divided by 2 divided by 2. So I get x equal to 2. Okay, and I'm going to circle that, so just easier to look for the information later on. Okay, and again, so I'm using equation 1 and 3, so I'm going to use equation 1 again. Okay, substituting to equation 1. So again, so you want to write this clearly so that people know what equation you're using. So equation 1, I substitute, so I get 2 plus y plus 6 equal to 0. So y plus 8 equal to 0, minus 8 on both sides. So y equal to negative 8. So the second point, so when you use equation 1 and 3, so when you have equation 1 and 3, is this point right over here. Okay, then that point would be 2 comma negative 8. Okay, so again, be careful, make sure you put in the correct order. Okay, okay, so I use 1 and 2, 1 and 3, so now I have to use 2 and 3. Okay, okay, so 2 and 3, I'm going to I'm going to eliminate the y because y has lower coefficient. That means I have to make this opposite of this. I need to multiply this by negative 2. Okay. Okay, so equation 1, I get x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. And equation 3 times by negative 2. Okay, so equation 3 times negative 2, I get negative 6x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, those double check. So negative 6, negative 2, negative 4. Okay. And again, it's the reason if you do that, so that you want to eliminate the y, right? You may make them opposite so you can eliminate. So when you add, you get negative 5x minus 8 equal to 0, and plus 8 on both sides. So negative 5x equal to 8 divided by negative 5. So x equal to negative 8 over 5. Okay. Okay, so now we have to solve for y. And so this is equation 2 and 3. So look at 2 and 3. It looks like equation 3 is a little bit easier to use because you have the y over here by itself. So let's use equation 3. Okay, so I get 3 times negative 8 over 5 plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so go ahead and multiply out. So negative 24 over 5 plus y plus, I'm going to make into common denominator with this, so I'm going to make it 10 over 5. Okay, so now you can add these two numbers. So y minus, so when you add this, you get negative 14 over 5 equal to 0. So plus 14 over 5 on both sides. So you got y equal to 14 over 5. Okay, so the last point would be negative 8 over 5, 14 over 5. Okay, so that would be the vertex of the triangle. So this third point, equation 2 and 3 is equation 2 and 3. Equation 2 and 3 is right over here. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 14. Okay, number 14 in the stock market. So again, you read through. So basically, you have two equations. One for demand is y equal to 80 minus 3x. And the equation for supply is y equal to 20 plus 2x. Okay. And so the point of equilibrium is where they intersect. So again, you have the supply and demand. So equilibrium when they are equal. So basically, you're solving for this equation. Okay. So to solve this equation is very easy because you have y equal to this. So both these are equal to y, so you can set this equal to each other. So you got 80 minus 3x equal to 20 plus 2x. Okay. So again, this equal to y, this equal to y, so they are equal to each other. And to solve this, I'm going, since the variable is on the positive is on this, I'm going to move this over. So plus 3x. So this cancel out, and minus 20 cancel out. So I get 60 equal to 5x divided by 5 divided by 5. So x equal to 12. Okay. So once you find x equal to 12, and then you can solve for y. And I'm going to use this one because I don't like the negative. Okay. So use this equation over here. So y equal to 20 plus 2 times 12, x for 12. So y equal to 44. Okay. So now, so x is number of units. Okay, and y is dollars. So basically, your equilibrium would be 12 units at $40 from $44 each. Okay. Okay, let's go to 16. This one has 4 parts, so let's do 16a first. So you want to graph each region described by each of the condition. So you got 2x minus 3y is less than 6. Okay, so this is an inequality graph. So what you need to do is first you need to go ahead and find your critical values or the boundary values. So if you set x equal to 0, again, when you're doing the boundary value, okay, critical value, you have to think of this as equal. Okay, so if you did x equal to 0, you divide both sides by negative 3, so you're going to get negative 2. Okay, and if you set y equal to 0, then x will equal to 3. Okay. So this is 0, negative 2. And you got 3, 0. And since this don't have an equal, so it's an open circle, and with your dashed line. Okay. And then after that, you do the testing point. Again, you want to choose any point that is not on the line, and you want to choose the easiest point. The easiest point would be the 0, 0. Okay, use 0, 0 as your testing point. So you substitute this into here, you're going to get 0, you're going to get 0 less than 6. Okay, again, 0, 0, right? So substitute this into x and y. So 0 less than 6 is true. So this point is true means this is good. Okay, that means any point on this side is your answer. Okay. Okay, let's go to part B. Okay, part B, you have 2x minus 3y is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, so just like last time, okay, we need to find the critical value. So this one would be, again, just like last time, 0, negative 2, and you got 3, comma 0, right? Because it's, we learned it from last time, right? Okay, now the difference is this part right over here. So you're going to see the difference on the graph, okay? I'm going to move this here. Okay, so again, your critical point would be 0, negative 2, and 3, 0. Now, difference between that is that between these two is that there is this, you have this equal over here. So this is going to be a started dot and it's going to be a started line, okay? Because that means that the point on the line is part of your answer. Okay, so again, you do the testing point at 0, 0. So you put 0 in here, you're going to get 0 greater than or equal to 6. So this is false. That means this point is no good. Okay, this is false. So that means if this is no good, that means the other side would be good. Okay, so your graph would be on this side instead. Okay, so again, make sure you know the difference between the two. Okay, okay, let's go to C. Okay, you have 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. So again, this is just like this over here, right? They are all the same point, it's just this part is different. So you're going to do the same thing. So you can choose your, let x equal to 0, you're going to get negative 2 for the y. Let y equal to 0, you're going to get 3 for the x. Again, you have to treat this as equal, right? Okay, so when you're doing your graphing, again, those are your critical points. So 0, negative 2. Again, this is going to be a starting point because that's an equal right over here. Okay, and you got 3, 0. And again, this is going to be a started line. And you choose a testing point that is not on the line, so choose the easiest point. So your best choice would be 0, 0. Okay, so you put in here, you're going to get 0. Again, when you put 0, 0 in here, it's going to get 0. So you're going to get 0 less than or equal to 6. Okay, and so this is true. So that means this point is true. That means this side is good. Okay. Again, you want to shade in the part that is true. Okay. Again, notice the comparison between this one here. Okay. Okay. So again, this is false. So you're shading the other side. When it's true, you're shading the part that's true. Okay. So again, make sure you kind of know the difference. Okay, let's go to 16D. Okay, 16D, you have 3 equations. You got 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. You got x plus y less than or equal to 1. And x greater than 0. Okay, so when you have 3 equations, you want to do one at a time, and you want to do the hardest one first. Okay, so let's go and do this one. Okay, this one is from here. So it's going to be this picture over here. Okay, so again, let's just walk it through. So again, I'm just repeating. So x equal to 0, then y will equal to negative 2. And then when y equal to 0, x will equal to 3. Okay. Okay, so you got 0, negative 2, and you got 3, 0. And this would be solid line. And the testing point, you put 0, 0 in here, you're going to get 0 less than or equal to 6, and that's true. Okay, so you're going to shade in this side. Again, do it very light, okay, because this is not the final answer. And I'm going to use a red for this one here. So this one, again, you let x equal to 0, then y will equal to 1. Again, you have to treat this as equal, okay? Let y equal to 0, then x will equal to 1. So you got 0, 1. So 0, 1 is right over here. And again, this is going to be a solid dot. And next one is 1, 0, so it'll be right over here. Okay, so this will be right over here. And again, to do the testing point using 0, 0 as your test point, so you're going to get 0 less than or equal to 1. So that's true. So this point is true. So you're going to shade in this part right over here. Okay, the next part, I'm going to use use green. Okay, so x is greater than 0. Okay, so here's your x equal to 0, so it'll be right over here, and it's going to be a dashed line, right? Okay, and so it's greater than 0, so x is greater than 0, so it'll be this part over here. Okay. And the final answer would be the part that shaded in 3 times. Okay, so the part that is shaded in 3 times, okay, would be this region right over here. So this is the part that shaded in 3 times. So your final answer would be this region right over here.